Hello, this is Dr. Amreesh Khanna here from 9th Avenue Dental. I'm creating this video so that we can give you an update on when we will be opening our doors, and we are excited and thrilled that we can be welcoming all of you back for routine care to our practice on June the 8th. Many of you work in the surrounding area, work in the building, or are just used to commuting down to our lovely practice, and we really appreciate that. Right now, the core of downtown is still a little quiet, and many of the office buildings are slowly opening their doors. The plus 15s are starting to open again. Parkades, everything like that is starting to slowly open. So what we will be doing for the first couple weeks is we will actually be seeing you at our sister clinic called Midtown Dental, which is just a couple minutes down the road in the Mission area of downtown Calgary. So we thought that would be a little bit easier for those of you who are not actually formally back to your workplaces and are still working from home, because we do offer free parking at that location. It's a little bit easier for you to get in and out of. So our administrative team will be contacting you and talking to you about giving you the details of how to get to that practice for now, as Gulf Canada Square continues to open up and become more accessible. And then we look forward to being able to welcome you back to the 9th Avenue location again. I want to again just talk a little bit more about some of the changes that will be you will see when you do come into both practices, both 9th Avenue and Midtown Dental, related to the new COVID protocols. So infection prevention control is always been a very high priority of us Alberta dentists. And as we return to practice, your safety is our number one priority. Making sure that everything that we are doing in terms of providing care to you is done in the safest manner possible with the highest standard, and same thing for the safety of us and our teams. So you will see some new things in place related to COVID specific protocols, such as sneeze guards, signage within the practice, and also a hand sanitizing station where we provided hand sanitizer, mask, and gloves to wear when you do come into clinic, so that we can be still proceeding with the appropriate public health guidelines. We are excited to be able to chat with you again, have some time to talk and connect again with y'all. We do respect that maybe this might have been one of the first few times that you're getting out of your house over the past few months. So we're really excited and thrilled that if our dental clinic is going to be one of the first places you're going to come out to, we want you to feel comfortable, and we look forward to chatting with you and hearing about some fun things that you've gotten up to, some new books that you may have read, or some fun home projects that maybe you did while you were at home working from home. So looking forward to chatting with you and reconnecting for sure. A few other changes that you will notice to your appointments themselves. We are trying to do everything we can to minimize the amount of patients within the waiting room, so you will be getting some direction from our admin team as to when to actually arrive within the office. You'll be waiting in your car, when to come inside the clinic itself, so that we can minimize the amount of people within the waiting room area. Further, we are doing all the different processes that we can to make sure that we have our minimal contact to no contact. So all of your forms, financial arrangements, insurance information, how to pay, all of those things. Our administrative team will be going through all that with you as to what you need to do, so that we have all the information in place, so that it minimizes any need for contact within the clinic itself. So those are things that you will all be given information on when you have your confirmation of your appointments, or when we're called to book you directly for your appointment. Within the practice itself, the biggest changes you're going to see are going to be related to aerosol generating procedures. Those are the procedures that pose the most concern. So you are going to see us wearing a new personal protective equipment, or PPE as we call it. Please reference Dr. Vic's video. He's made a great video that goes over some of the personal protective equipment that we are wearing now in the practice. You will see your hygienists wearing those types of personal protective equipment, along with the dentists and the assistants as well. So those are some of the changes you'll see. Also, we are doing what we can to minimize aerosol generating procedures. So hygiene appointments will be a little bit different, minimizing the use of ultrasonic scalers. So our hygienists have been eagerly preparing to make sure that they can provide you with your hygiene care through hand scaling in the most comfortable manner possible. So we're doing everything we can to make sure that we can continue to provide the care that you'd always expect from us, and in the most comfortable and safe manner as possible. So those are a few different changes that you're going to see. We look forward to continuing to provide you the valuable care that we always strive to do so. We value your oral health, and we want to make sure that we can get you back in to take care of your routine care and any other care that you require, so that it doesn't get further neglected and cause you more problems, more pain, or costly treatments later on. So we'll be looking forward to seeing you. We will be also discussing ways in which we can try to sometimes get a little bit more work done for you in lesser appointments so that you don't have to be exposed to the public setting more than is needed. So you'll hear lots of things from us as we go, and we're just overall just really excited to be seeing you and welcoming you back to the practice. We want to make sure that we're doing it in the safest manner possible so that your comfort is number one. If any of you have any questions related to any of the protocols that we're putting in place, anything that would make you more comfortable, or any questions you have around that, please feel free to contact our office via email or phone so we can review our protocols with you. And also, if you have any suggestions of anything that would make you more comfortable in case it's something that we haven't already looked at, again, we'd love to hear that feedback from you so we can incorporate it into our protocols as well. Okay. And on behalf of the whole 9th Avenue Dental team, we really look forward to welcoming you back to be able to take care of you again, and look forward to seeing you all June 8th and onwards. Thank you. Bye.